Hello folks, recently I got several messages asking me how am I checking the cooling temperature of my engine. Well, I have another video showing how you can check your alternator voltage, and it goes the same way. But I've decided once more to show you how you can enter your Astra H hidden menu. So you have to press the settings button, press it and hold it for 10 seconds. Here you go, test mode, switch on. Now you can scroll throughout the menu with the BC button. Here you can check your alternator voltage, and here you go, the coolant temperature, the outside sensor temperature, and display temperature. This one is with the correction. Now the engine is running, so you can see that the temperature is rising. One more thing, when you press the settings button, when you initially want to enter the service menu, you have to be on this screen, on the so-called main screen.